What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to look at new graphic design trends emerging in 2025. Let's jump right in. First on our list is Surrealism. This design style is characterized by dreamlike visuals that challenge reality and combine unexpected elements. While Surrealism in graphic design can be very grand and abstract, it can also be subtle and minimal depending on the purpose of the content. This style captures attention quickly and often appeals to viewers that are looking to expand their imagination and escape the ordinary. The next design trend we'll cover is the use of earth tones. We're talking about deep shades of brown, green, gray, blue, and even red. Earth tones started to really grow in popularity throughout last year, and we're expecting that trend to continue throughout 2025. Not only will you see the use of earth tones in graphic design, but you can expect this style to be used in interior design, fashion, and even tech accessories. Hyperrealism is another emerging design trend to watch. With the widespread use of AI tools, creators are producing designs that are so detailed and lifelike that they actually push the boundaries of realism. This style is especially effective for ads and product mock-ups, as the sharpness and immersive quality can leave a strong, lasting impression on viewers. The next trend on our list is kinetic typography. This is essentially a mix of motion and typography, where the text is animated to make content more visually engaging. You'll see this in everything from social media ads, to music videos, to website UIs, and more. By adding motion to text, designers can convey key messages and emotions that make a big impact. The last design trend on our list is Retrofuturism. The blend of nostalgic elements from the past mixed with futuristic aesthetics creates a unique style that feels both familiar and forward-thinking. This trend is really big in entertainment, film, and gaming. So if you're looking for a design style that is both timeless and distinctive, Retrofuturism is an excellent choice. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.